guys, I'm going to take my mask off just so I can say hi. My name is Miss Ashley. I am your 8th grade English teacher for this year. I'm so excited to see all of you in a few weeks. So I have some stuff up here just for you to have a little bit of information before you come in. So this year we do use Google Classroom just like everyone else will, so you'll have a page to hop on and find everything out. I also do have a YouTube channel, so when we start reading our novels for the year, we start reading our short stories, we're going to have a spot for you guys to go on and listen to me reading them, so you don't have to hear me doing it through that mask. This year, we do a bit of reading, so we're going to start with The Outsiders. It's really exciting, everyone tends to love it. Hopefully we'll get to House on Mango Street, a little bit of Boy in the Striped Pajamas and the Holocaust, and then we do a whole lot of independent reading in here, so I like to let you guys pick what you like to read and enjoy what you're doing. We work with some short stories, so we'll do a little bit of creepy stuff with Poe, a little bit of Halloween type stuff. We'll work on some grammar mechanics. I'm going to turn you into a way better writer than you were coming in, okay? I promise you that. We will do a lot of nonfiction. I'm going to bring back those signposts that you guys are used to using from 6th grade and 7th grade, so we'll work on those, and some poetry and argument, all right? So we're going to do a lot of arguing and persuading with one another, okay? So I look forward to seeing you in a few weeks. I'm going to toss my mask back on, but I can't wait to see you.